Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about guitar, but not really. We're going to turn this guitar into a banjo with just one easy step. This goes out to a couple of people I know who play banjo and guitar, and to save carrying both round with one easy thing, you can do it on this guitar. You're going to tune the high E down to D. So this E string is now D. So you should have, from the top, you're going to pretend the E and the A don't exist. You've now got D, G, B, D, which if you strum it, is a G chord. What I'm doing there is plucking on the D and pulling up with them three fingers. These two now don't exist. So that's a G chord. So I should say banjos are tuned to open G. Now if you bar the 5th fret, then 4 strings, that's C, and at the 7th, that's D. So you got G, C, D, C, back to G. So I'll go for that again. You're going to pretend the E and the A don't exist. When you know what you're doing, you can bring them in on certain chords. But for now, we'll pretend the E and the A don't exist. The thumb sits on the D string, and these three on them three. I'm just using a very basic chord strumming style, just for the easiest. That's a G. At the 5th fret, all them 4 strings, is a C chord. At the 7th fret, it's a D chord. Or you can roll it. You banjo players can do your rolls now on a guitar. When you, like I said before, when you know what you're doing, you can bring the E and the A string into play. If you want to do a more fuller G chord, you just do the top part of the G and don't use the bottom one, and that's your G chord. So you can move up the frets like this. What I'm doing there is with a G chord up there, but not on the E string, high E of course. So in your G chord up here, with your D chord at the 7th, at the 5th, and back to G. If you download a 5-string banjo chord book or chord chart and just forget about the high G string and just focus on the bottom 4 strings, all them chords will work on this now, and you can make your guitar sound like a banjo simply by down tuning the high E to a D. This is really just a fun video, something to do, you can experiment with. If you're in a band with another guitar player, it is a good way of adding a different dimension to the sound. He can play normal guitar, you can play a banjo style of guitar. Like I said, this is just a fun video. The people who know it's for will know it's for them. I hope you've enjoyed it. please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Like I always say, if you wish to learn an instrument, follow the link down below. Blackpool Music School do videos over Skype and Zoom, face to face. We can even come and visit you in your home if you live in the Blackpool area. So there's lots of ways to have music lessons. I hope this video has been useful to you, or at least fun. Take care, keep practicing, and goodbye.